timetable is out. I'm going to send it to you. This particular NECO timetable for 2024. I'm going to walk you through the timetable, but before then, I will also send it on WhatsApp so that you can be able to look at it very well, because you may not be able to get the dates, the time of the subjects in this video. So they say this is the official NECO timetable. They say that it will start on Friday 27th, 26th of July in this year 2024. Your first paper will be physical education, author works, and all the rest. But I'm sure many of you are not interested in this. Monday 24th June will be computer studies. I hope you are following. Remember, I will send this to you. What you can do for me to send it to you, just go to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, right now. Just subscribe to Noble Tutorials YouTube channel. Then come under this video and tell me that you have subscribed. So we have on 24th of June, we have computer studies. On 25th, we have agri science, basic electricity, store management. On Wednesday, 26th June, we have biology practicals. Then later, we have Arabic. On Thursday, 27th, we have practical physics. Then computer studies, essay and objective. On 28th of June, we will have geography and woodwork. On 1st of July, we have further maths and literature in English. Then on 2nd July, we have history, technical drawing, and biology. Biology will be objective and essay. On 3rd of July, we have electronics and civic education, then office practice. I'm sure you may not be following, but I will send this to you once you subscribe. Just subscribe to Noble Tutorials YouTube channel immediately, and I will send this particular timetable NECO to you. Then on 4th of July, we have chemistry practical. Then later we have government, essay and objective, then basic electricity. On the 5th of July, we'll have human and regional geography. On 8th of July, we have physics, essay and objective. Then in the afternoon, we have literature in English. On 9th of July, on Tuesday, we'll have financial accounting, then agri science. We have financial accounting, agri science. On Wednesday, 10th of July, we have general mathematics. With just general maths that day. On Thursday, 11th July, we have data processing. What do I say? Data processing. By the way, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Go ahead, subscribe right now. On 12th July, we have physical education. On 15th of July, Monday, we have chemistry, essay and objective. Then we have metal work, we have home management, we have visual arts. On Tuesday, 16th of July, we'll have economics, French, economics and French. On Wednesday, 17th, we'll have English language, objective, just English, electronics, and auto mechanics. On Thursday, 18th of July, we'll have things like painting, dyeing, photography, and all the rest. On Friday 19th, we'll have air conditioner and all those things that you may not really be interested on. Then on 22nd of July, we'll have things like building, construction, and all that. You may not. Then on 23rd, we'll have CRS, Islamic work, health education, and all the rest. Wednesday, 24th July, we'll have Igbo language, Hausa language, Yoruba, Efik, Ibibio. These are the native languages. Exam say continues till 25th, Thursday, 25th July, where you have your insurance. Remember, like I said, I will send this to you. This is what NECO said for you to do. A few information for you that you need to know. Number one, you need to adhere to the timetable. Adhere to the time on the question paper when you are writing your NECO for you to pass. Confirm your examination venue. where you are writing all this particular place you are writing the exam. Practical exam in certain subject may be conducted in set, equipment, limited time. What are the tips you need to pass your NECO exam? Start early to prepare. Get the right study materials if you need them. If you need past questions on NECO, all these things, just let me know. Create a study plan, start planning ahead. Practice past questions. I've said if you need the past questions, just let me know. Stay focused, get adequate rest, stay confident, and you will pass your NECO exam. Remember, like I said, send me a message right now and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come under this video, tell me that I have subscribed to the YouTube channel, and I will send you your NECO timetable. I will send you past questions, and I will be there to answer your questions. Go over to our YouTube channel. You will see several videos we have done, mathematics, past questions, and all the rest to help you. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, right now. Talk to me that you have subscribed, and I'll begin to guide you.